Hello, everyone. Welcome to my workshop on one of the Career Center resources called Alumni Fire. My name is Caroline. I'm one of the peer advisors here at the Career Center, and today we're going to go over Alumni Fire and how to get started networking on there. But first, let me discuss the PAs and what we do at the Career Center. So the PAs consist of Ben, Sydney, me, Emma, and Paroma. We are here in person 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As well as virtual. We have other virtual hours as well, 5 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 1 to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. is on Tuesday and Wednesday, and the 1 to 5 is on Friday. In-person hours are Monday through Thursday. You can reach us if you don't have time to join us. You can reach us at aupeeradvisors@gmail.com or follow us at AUCCPAs on Instagram. Now jumping into Alumni Fire, what is it and how does it work? So starting off with the statement, Alumni Fire makes it easy for you to connect with AU alumni. Every member of Alumni Fire for AU is growing the value and prestige of the community by sharing personal and professional expertise with fellow members. Alumni Fire offers easy connection tools for current students to connect with alumni and vice versa. From free career advice all the way to our mentorships, Alumni Fire offers many opportunities for those just starting out on the workforce or just looking to connect with other people. My comparison is like LinkedIn, but for AU. As a student user, the most direct comparison is LinkedIn. However, what stands out is that Alumni Fire is just for the AU community. The direct connection and shared experience definitely makes networking less stressful. So with Alumni Fire, you create your own profile to start connecting with all of the alumni. You can specify your needs and your wants on your profile, whether you're looking for a mentorship, an internship, or just general resume review. The features that are on Alumni Fire are the members section, feed, calendar, job board, employers, and groups. And you can utilize each feature to your advantage. So with 4,031 community members, there is a wide variety of opportunity for any AU student. This large community means there's something for everyone. Do you need some career advice, need some general advice? Great, you can reach out to anyone on this platform. With general advice, there are about 3,100 users that are offering that, and then set all the way to 742 users offering mentorships, and a lot more in between. So Alumni Fire definitely has your back no matter what. So now we're going to discuss what the homepage will look like once you make your account. We're going to explore the features here and what Alumni Fire has to offer you. So a brief overview of the features. For the members section, you spend time browsing the members page and connecting with its members. You can search alumni based on their names if you know anyone that has graduated recently or a few years past, maybe even a classroom speaker, or you can search by country with the map feature. With the feed section, you can check out postings from members pertaining to job and internship offerings, advice being offered, or you can even pose a question yourself in the feed section. With the calendar section, you can check out what events are posted. You never know what might be interesting to you. Sometimes groups on Alumni Fire can be posting like DC events or just general events that may not be on Handshake. So definitely want to check out that calendar section. For the job board, you can review more job postings. There are postings with an application link, whether the position is full-time or part-time, and more. It's a great feature, especially if you're looking for a more specific position that may not be offered on Handshake or may not be found on LinkedIn. With the employer section, you can review the different types of employers alumni work for and learn more about the organizations. And finally, with the group section, you can join specific groups to get in touch with alumni and professionals. Say you want to join a specific group that relates to your major. I personally am in the Women in PR group on Alumni Fire. I believe that's what it's called. It definitely helps out when you're looking for specific advice or looking for just a group to join to connect and continue networking beyond just the general homepage. And the next step is how to set up your profile. It's in just 3 easy steps. You can log in via your AU credentials, just like how you used to set up your Handshake account, or you can log in with your LinkedIn. I logged in with my LinkedIn and it pre-filled my information. I know it can be a long time filling in your entire resume. So if you feel comfortable enough logging in with your LinkedIn, I definitely recommend it. The second step is to fill in your profile. You have to attach your headshot, maybe include a bio, your preferences, and other information that might be helpful for alumni that you're reaching out to, just like on Handshake. Yeah, and then the third step is getting started connecting. So I'm going to go over what the profiles will look like when you do join. So first we have the alumni profile, blocked out their information for security purposes. It'll show you what this Eagle is offering you. So it looks like here they're offering introductions and networking, informational interviews, and student-to-student advice, which is super great. You can scroll through what they studied, places they've worked at, and other information. Alumni Fire has a lot of fun questions that people can answer, like who's your favorite professor? So it makes networking a little easier, and you can start off on a more connected foot rather than just cold opening with networking. That can be totally terrifying. And here's what a student profile looks like. I've attached my own. Feel free to find me on there. The student profile will show what year you're graduating, what you're pursuing, where you're located. You can put your bio, what you offer to other people as well. So in case a student that's a little bit younger than you wants to reach out, they totally can on here. You can also put what you are seeking. So you can say, I'm looking for mentorship, and people who have that on their alumni profile will say, oh, I can definitely offer that. You also will put down your education, places you worked, and other information. And now you finally get to explore your profile once you finally made it. I recommend joining those groups, networking, looking through job postings, and most of all, just have fun with it. Networking can be totally terrifying, especially if you don't know anyone. And cold calling on LinkedIn can be even scarier, especially since if you just connected with someone or someone might think you have ulterior motives. With Alumni Fire, you can reach out to people that know what the school is like, know what your program is like even, and it makes it extremely easier and stress-free, like I said at the beginning. So yeah, have fun with it, see who you can reach out to and see who's on there. And to go over our alumni page, you have no idea where to search, you don't know what you're pursuing quite yet, that is quite okay. On the We Know Success page on the AU website, they'll show the wide variety of where alumni go off to work with these amazing stats and amazing schools and employers that they've all gone off to. You can search for where everyone seems to be working, and if it aligns with what you want, you can find people on Alumni Fire who work there, reach out to them, introduce yourself, and see where that conversation will go. We have a wide variety of successful alumni at the school, and they're more than ready to help you out and get your foot right into the career door. So now go get started. Alumni Fire is super easy to set up, like I talked about earlier, and it's really a great time to connect with everyone on campus and even professors. Sometimes professors are on there. You can connect with anyone, and if you have any questions, you can find us, like I said, AUCCPAs on Instagram and aupeeradvisors@gmail.com with any questions about Alumni Fire or any other career center services. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a great rest of your evening.